We're here today celebrating the new Loro Piana Cocooning Collection with Mytheresa.
Cocooning is about coming into the season, taking care of the self, eating nutritious, delicious food.
The inspiration is always to pull the seasons into the space.
Thank you for being here today for this special workshop.
The pieces that we're making today will be moon jars. All my work is with clay. For me, it's the most grounding material.
I'm like very in a zen moment right now. I think it's cool how we're like all working together.
I love it. I think it's nice to just remind yourself that cocooning doesn't have to be solo.
Cocooning is just a space to be just enjoying your self-care.
It was amazing. It was so fun and so creative.